This beautifully renovated Southwest Gainesville home is located just 3 or 4 miles from UF Shands Hospital and the University of Florida campus. Stepping inside this 1974 home, you'll feel like you're stepping into a brand new build. This gorgeous granite face fireplace overlooks the beautiful living room area. But let's head back and start in what used to be the garage. This has now been converted into a large flex space, perfect for a game room or an additional bedroom with a walk-in closet. Heading back out to the kitchen, you'll find granite countertops and beautiful stainless steel appliances. But let's go check out the dining room. Huge vaulted ceilings, and these windows are absolutely gorgeous. They let in all the natural light and allow for the beautiful view from outside to come pouring in. There's a full bathroom here on the main floor. And up on the second floor, we'll find our bedrooms. First, let's stop and take a beautiful view from the second floor. And there are those windows, simply gorgeous. Heading back into the owner's suite, we can still enjoy that beautiful view from here. And passing by his and hers closets, we'll head into the newly renovated master ensuite, which features, again, granite countertops, a balcony, beautiful tiling with a tub and a walk-in shower. Heading back out and down the hallway, where we'll find 2 more bedrooms, and another full bath. Now let's head upstairs one more time because this home has even more to offer with an additional flex space on the 3rd floor. This space is perfect for an additional bedroom or a double office for you and your significant other, or perhaps even a library and yoga room. There are beautiful views around every corner in this gorgeous home. This home is truly a unique and rare find right here in Southwest Gainesville.